Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn the problem of continuity. As compared to previous problem, this problem is quite difficult and we have to use the second definition of continuity to solve such a type of problems. Question is f of x is equal to x, comma 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus x, comma 1 by 2 less than equal to x less than 1 at x equal to 1 by 2. So in this problem, we have to discuss whether the given function is continuous or not at indicated points. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start with limit x tends to 1 by 2 minus fx. That equal to limit x tends to 1 by 2. Now x tends to 1 by 2 minus, it means x is less than 1 by 2. It means here we are going to find left hand limit. Now if you observe the question that we have f of x is equal to x, comma 0 less than equal to x less than 1 by 2. So it means for x less than equal to 1 by 2, we have f of x is equal to x. So is equal to limit x tends to 1 by 2. For f of x, we replace x and that equal to, now whenever x, we have to substitute 1 by 2. So we get answer as a 1 by 2. So in this way, we get limit x tends to 1 by 2 minus f of x is equal to 1 by 2. Now let us this denote as a equation number 1. Now the second step is limit x tends to 1 by 2 plus fx. That equal to limit x tends to 1 by 2 f of x. Now here x tends to 1 by 2 plus, it means we have to find here a right hand limit. Secondly, x tends to 1 by 2 plus means x should be greater than 1 by 2. Now if we observe in the questions, so we have f of x is equal to 1 minus x provided 1 by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. It means for x greater than equal to 1 by 2, we must have f of x is equal to 1 by x. So that equal to limit x tends to 1 by 2. For f of x, we substitute 1 minus x. Therefore, the next step will be 1 minus 1 by 2. And on cross multiplying, we get 1 by 2. So in this way, right hand limit, that is limit x tends to 1 by 2 plus fx is equal to 1 by 2. Let us this denote as a equation number 2. Now third part of question is x is exactly equal to 1 by 2. It means f of 1 by 2 is equal to. Now if you go through the question, we have f of x is equal to 1 minus x under a condition 1 by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. So it means here for x equal to 1 by 2 we have f of x is equal to 1 minus x. So therefore f of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, and that also equal to, on cross multiplying we get 1 by 2. So let us this denote as a equation number 3. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3 we get limit x tends to 1 by 2 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to 1 by 2 plus fx is equal to f of 1 by 2. And from this we conclude that the given function f of x is continuous at indicated point x equal to 1 by 2. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.